Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's DMS accessory camera. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Proper placement of your camera is on the windshield in a location where it provides an unobstructed view for monitoring the driver and keeping them safe. We recommend powering up your camera and connecting using the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm optimal camera placement. Wipe the area with the alcohol pad to ensure it's clean and dry before mounting. Unscrew the tamper-proof side cover. Plug the straight end of the coaxial cable into the camera and screw the tamper-proof cover back onto the camera unit. Next, peel the adhesive tape from the back of the camera and press it firmly against the glass. Plug the angled end of the coaxial cable into the option port of the main box unit. Now, use the pry tool to hide wires under the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.